taking notes is a necessity in an orderly life, Organizer takes it further. It is the first planner that allows you to digitalize all of your written notes and lists into an interactive digital equivalent. The Organizer app. Organizer's flexibility can be used in both professional environments as well as for personal life management. All the notes and lists can be checked, ordered, or deleted to keep track of your day. Organizer is all-in-one. A beautifully and mindfully designed planner and an easy-to-use app that keeps you in check. And the best part about Organizer notes is that they can be instantly shared amongst your colleagues and family. When a task on a shared list is marked complete, it will immediately notify and update everyone else with the list. Organizer app can also notify you about incomplete tasks or let you set an alarm for them.
The purpose of Organizer is to help people live their lives in a better and happier way by providing a functional planner to busy individuals.
We truly believe in our product and will succeed if you believe in it too.
We greatly appreciate your support in raising funds to kickstart the production of Organizer.
That's all from our side. Now it's your turn.
We call it Organizer since it is not only nice for you to look at and use, but it is also nice to others in need. By organizing yourself, you help to empower others.